Второй класс, английский язык. Звездный английский. Изобрази слово. Домашнее задание, страница 18-19. English. Starlight 2. Body words. Homework. Page number 18-19. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 18. 18. Exercise number 1. Сыграй в игру, изобрази слово. Body words. Body words. Нужно выбирать позу в виде буквы. Несколько человек в разных позах изображают целое слово. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. A. Play. Gray. Play. Gray. Boy. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Прочитай слова и текст вслух своим одноклассникам. A. Play. Gray. Day. Way. Say. Pay. Away. Today. Friday. Ой. Boy. Toy. Repeat after me. A. Play. Gray. Day. Way. Say. Pay. Away. Today. Friday. Ой. Boy. Toy. Today is Friday. It's a play day. Miss Gray, let's play with the toys. I like to play with the big gray teddy. His name is Ray. He can say, please play with me. He is very funny. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Раскрась коробки, используя подсказки. Скажи, какого цвета слова, используя подсказки? Gray. Green. Black. Red. Pink. White. Day. 5. Cat. Tea. Milk. Swim. Kite. Say. Zebra. Bed. Bee. Cheese. The answer. Day. Gray. 5. White. Cat. Black. Tea. Green. Milk. Pink. Swim. Pink. kite, white. Say, gray. Zebra, red. Bed, red. Bee, green. Cheese, green. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 19. 19. Exercise number 5. Повтори звуки и слова за диктором и покажи соответствующие им картинки. Air, where, pear, square. All, ball. Where, pear, square, ball. My dear friends, do exercise number 6. Прочитай слова и текст вслух своим одноклассникам. Here, where, there, pear, square, where, bear, hair, share. Ball, call, fall, all, tall, wall, small. My dear friends, read please once more. Here, where, there, pear, square, where, bear, hair, share. Ball, call, fall, all, tall, wall, small. Where, oh where is my teddy bear? Is it there on the wall? Is it by the big red ball? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 7. Прослушай запись и повтори название цифр за диктором. Соедини цифры и слова. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 8. Прослушай песенку и спой ее. Repeat after me. 10 small bears sitting on a wall. 10 small bears sitting on a wall. Take one away and now count them all. 9 small bears sitting on a wall. 9 small bears sitting on a wall. Take one away and now count them all. 8 small bears sitting on a wall, and so on. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.